I'm going to talk about simple selection, but just quickly, you can play around a lot with the colors and the classifying. So I also did cipher by decile, which you could put it better colors than that. But maybe don't put it such bright colors because it doesn't really tell you very much. So what I'll just do is leave that, save it. What I'm going to do is show you how to select. Underlying all your data sets is an attribute table. So I will right click, open attribute table. And the attribute table has opened somewhere on my multiple monitors. So if I can find it, there we go. So that's the attribute table of the roads. And the reason the road type is what I classified the roads. So they all do. I happen to know that the lower the road type, the bigger the road it is. But so there you can see road type. You can also, what you can do is select by attributes. There's your select by location, which is the same. But here's a select by attributes. So what you do is you click on select by values, and you have to have whatever feature you are working on highlighted. And we want to select by road type. And we know that we've looked at the attribute table. So you have to look at the attribute table and say, I want to select all roads of type 1. You can start typing as well, and it'll fill up for you. And then if you go in there, you'll close it. You'll see all road type 1, which is the Bruce Highway, and a couple of other roads around there, and the gateway have been selected as road type 1. You can clear selection that way. If you wanted to go, for example, into the cadaster, let's just quickly make it clear. Go OK. We'll draw him. It's much quicker than ArcGIS, even though it's a little bit slow. We can go, first of all, what I recommend with everything is open the attribute table, which is a big file, so it'll take a bit of time to open. See what it's doing. It's loading features at the moment. So when it's loaded all, however many features there are, then it's going to open the attribute table. Go, the attribute table has loaded. Now I have modified the cadaster file, so you don't really have to use this one, but say this is the main file. If we were looking, for example, at tenure, we want freehold properties. I'm going to close this now, and let's do a select by attributes. Select features by value. You see, it comes up with the right one because I've clicked on it. Now, what if we want to put in tenure there? Just start typing. It'll come down shortly itself, but it's a bit slow. And you can do contains, you can do equal to, not equal to, missing. Those ones are better for numbers, or starts with. I'm just going to go select features. This will take a bit of time. It'll take a bit of time because I put tenure instead I put the wrong thing in it. So what we want is freehold. It comes up with freehold as you're typing, but let's just go, there we go. We'll click on that. We'll go select features. And after thinking for a while, it now loads the selected features of tenure. So we can zoom in closer to this, and we can see that these are all freehold properties. So some of them aren't freehold properties, but that's obviously houses there. And there's the ones that are selected. The yellow just means that it's selected. It's a very big file, this, but so what we're going to do is deselect it, and we're going to save it.